So I thought I should go through List Infinity, a system I use to build my list and get paid while doing so. You can sign up for free and build your list, but then you won't get paid for your leads. But as a $7 one-time fee and receive unlimited $7 commissions, or you can upgrade up to $100 one-time fee and a smaller admin fee, and then you can receive $100 commissions unlimited. That's up to you. And you also get trainings on everything, how to get traffic to your pages. Includes both paid traffic but also free traffic, organic traffic, if you don't want to invest in traffic to start with. And you get instantly paid to your 100% commission to PayPal or to Stripe. Yeah, and you have everything you need here to the left. Videos on how to get started. Basically, you need to build, of course you need the autoresponder when you're building your list, and I'm not going to go through it in detail, but you basically choose what autoresponder you have, and then you put in the unique list token, and then you add emails to that list that you create. And here's also written instructions how to do it, and also pretty easy to follow. You get access to a lot of also capture pages you can use to build your list. And beneath every capture page you have the URL, affiliate URL, that you can just mark and copy for the, and you can see statistics beneath it for each page to see which page is bringing in the most leads. So now you have a download builder here, so that you have tracking codes. Yeah, so besides building your list infinity income, you can promote anything you want, of course. Maybe you can add emails at the same email campaign as you have List Infinity, or create a new one and promote anything you want. So if you want to take a closer look at Infinity, then click the link below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.